Masayaing bata, makulit.
Very ano siya curious siya sa lahat
Oo.
Very observant siya, very yun, sayang bata.
Saka ano siya, good vibes. Ang presence niya.
What else could we be but a festival? What else could we feel but wonderful? Yes, these are the good days.
Happy first birthday, Ayla Roja!
These are the good days. These are the good days.
Sana
The flow, feel the beauty.
maging masaya ka lang din palagi. Ay! Ganun ba yun? Hindi pa, wala pa. Pero sana huwag mong kalimutan lagi yung mga tinuro ni Daddy.
These are the good
Ay.
These are the good days. These are the good days.
Maiyak ako! Happy birthday, anak! Ayun, sana lumaki kang mabuting bata, may takot sa Diyos. At saka wag mo kaming kakalimutan ni daddy mo paglaki mo.
All the time. Sweet emotion. Come on, show me what you got.
Happy first birthday, Roa!
Sana yan, lumaki siyang masayahin.
Naiyak.
Huwag mawala sa kanya hanggang paglaki niya.
These are the good days.
Happy first birthday, Roa!
These are the good days. These are the good days. These are the good days.
Ayun, kasi Spanish ng red. Eh ako, red ako eh. So, yun yung pinangalan namin sa kanya. Tapos yung Ayla, ano siya, meaning niya is angel.
Angel sa Hawaiian naman.
Oo. Eh yung daddy niya is Angelo.
Oo.
So ayun,
Ayla Roja.
Ayla Roja. Pinagsamang pangalan namin ng dad.
Look at this life I'm living. Got the recipe living like sweet tea. I got what you need living like sweet tea. So sweet. So sweet.
Happy birthday, Roha! Sana lumaki kang mabait, malusog, at healthy na bata.
Be a good girl lang na. Yun lang.
Enjoy.
Enjoy life.
You hear that buzz? Yeah, it's all about me. You see that sun? Yeah, it's shining for me. Got the recipe, living like sweet tea.
Happy birthday, Roha!
Sweet tea.
Lola loves you so much, and Lolo!
Yeah!